Gavin Thomas here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get to the super secret sound test menu in the original Sonic 3, not Sonic 3 and Knuckles, only Sonic 3. So on the screen darkens, you want to click up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. But if you did it wrong, then sometimes frames don't input these codes for some reason. They would eat your inputs. So I'm just gonna turn it down to 2. Okay. And then when you do that, this is my classic mode. Click up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. Except it will not that wacka. Up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. Yeah, it's still the same. Click. When the screen darkens, click up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. I'm trying to. Sorry, guys. I've tried trillions of times and I cannot get the. Let's just go with this one. I never played this today. This one has a sound test. It's kind of easy to find too. So let's go with Knuckles. Bruh! Dango! Dango! Go! I can actually use this to climb up walls. Let go. Don't let go. Pause and press A. And then go down to here. You can see this. Here we are. Yay. We're at the sound test. Once I think debug is an easy code. So let's listen to 1, 3, 5, and 7. Bruh. Oh, because it's in Mushroom. Oh, because debugs is accessible in Mushroom Hill. I forgot about that. Thanks, buddy. Would I not look up? Huh? What the heck do I do? did not help me. There we go! We go! Go, dude! And then how to access debug is in one of Mushroom Hill's poles, which is debug. Up, left, right, up. Pause and press A again. And then as you can see, let's go back to my favorite stage. Keep on holding these buttons until debug's accessed. And would you look at that? It's gravity. I have gravity now. Look at this. Let's go with look at my sprites. Whoa! Get in here. Can I end my life? No! And I did not do it perfect. Fuck you. Ah! It just crashed. I got scared. So I swore this was real, but now I can never access it in the original. So sorry if I failed in the first one. So Bluckles is Blue Knuckles. Wait, he's Blue Knuckles. Don't tell me.
This isn't Sonic. There's a glitch you can do in Sonic 3 and Knuckles that changes Knuckles the Echidna from his normal red color to a color that's more like this guy. I forgot his name. To do this trick, you'll need Knuckles that changes Knuckles the Echidna from his normal red color to a color that's more like this guy. I forgot his name. To do this trick, you'll need the debug mode. And if you don't know how to get there, I'm sure you can find some other video by a handsome YouTuber. To the right again, because you're gonna loop around the stage. Sure, you can find some other video by a handsome YouTuber. I found this trick works best if you're playing as a solo character, so I'm gonna hit the C button to change this number under Angel Island from 0 to 1. Now hold A and hit start to go to Carnival Night Zone Act 2, then hit the B button to activate the debug mode and start going to the right. Once you make it all the way to the end of the stage, go up a little bit, then you're gonna come back down and position yourself around here. Now start going to the right again because you're gonna loop around the stage one more time. At some point, you'll notice the left side of the screen will change, and when you finally reappear on screen, stop going fast. From here, move left, then a little bit up, and you should see the right side of the screen turn blue. Go all the way up, then go to the right into this room, and then drop down a little bit and hit the B button, and Sonic or whoever you picked should fall to the floor, which looks weird. Now pause the game and press A to reset. All that's left to do is hit start, then scroll all the way over to a no save game and you'll see this crazy glitched out screen. But hit start here and you'll begin Angel Island Zone Act 1 as Blue Knuckles. Press A to reset. All that's left to do is hit start, then scroll all the way over.
What?
All that's left to do is hit start, then scroll all the way over to a no-save game, and you'll see this crazy glitched-out screen. But hit start here, and you'll begin Angel Island Zone Act 1 as Blue Knuckles.
Welcome to the game store. I'll take the new...
Really go out with me? How do you like me now?
I'm 9 years old, and I do not treat toddlers like if they're nice. Oh. Now we're going to Knuckles Chaotic.
Knuckles Chaotix, a Sonic the Hedgehog spin-off game that pretty much slipped by without much notice due to the fact that it released on the over before it had really begun Mega Drive 32X. However, it's actually not that bad of a game and fits quite snugly into the classic Sonic series. Now, as far as Sonic games go, this is one of the more solid entries in terms of glitches, but it does have some, and one of them in particular has a very interesting history. But before we get to that, one of the defining design choices of Knuckles Chaotix is that you play as two characters linked together somehow magically by the gold rings they hold. This is an interesting...
When COPD tried to stop you, you kept going. Breztri, a 3-in-1 inhaler. Better breathing.
Hey folks, if you're familiar with my channel, you'll know
Why is he
and in
greener?
particular, the characters that have spawned from palette glitches in Sonic games. Over the past couple of years, I proudly brought you the story of Ashura and Wechsnir, the two most famous glitch characters from the Sonic the Hedgehog series that have taken on a life of their own within the Sonic fan community. They both have fascinating origins and an air of mystery around them. But it feels like there's one more guy that I need to talk about. It's time to finish off this series. It's time for the third in the trilogy. It's time to talk about Bluckles. But that's not all. After that, I think it's time for a roundup. So, let's start with the main event, Bluckles. The name is a bit of a giveaway, but Bluckles is the moniker given to the Blue Knuckles glitch that's possible in Sonic the Hedgehog 3 and Knuckles, my personal favourite game of all time, and one that, thankfully, I love revisiting endlessly.
Hello everybody. Emulator version to do this. Any file where you can get the Angel Island zone, and you need to have the emeralds like all collected, just the regular Chaos Emeralds, not Super Emeralds yet. You can have some collected, but make sure you have at least one open space. Find over here on the right. This is going to be needed to get debug mode. Up or down twice.
He's gonna do it.
Debug mode activated. If you go back, you're going to want to go to the sound test. Here, and then up to the right and all the way over here. Make sure you do not trigger the Knuckles cutscene or this will not work. You're going to want to go on any of these emeralds and just go onto it as if you were going to a special stage. Now immediately leave the special stage. Activating this, you will see what will happen in a minute. Now once you trigger this, you should be respawning to Angel Island Zone. You're going to want to wait for the water to go all the way down. Well, at least do what I'm doing here. Sometimes you will get this freezing. This is actually good. The game will reset itself, and then press start, go back to the sound test zone, and if you see up here, you'll see the number 80. That will mean that you have triggered the Blue Knuckles glitch, and now when you go to a level select, you'll get Knuckles, you'll get Blue Knuckles.
Try going.
Blue Knuckles, but there are pictures, obviously, and that's my tutorial in getting Blue Knuckles.
Try activating him in one-player game.
Manage mods easily with Click to Add Mod, streamlined load order editing, and a user-friendly interface.
Oh, it's easy. Go to special stage. Leave the stage. Will the game reset? It doesn't reset. So why did you spawn here? What the hell? Oh! Oh! This is very random. What the heck? What the hell? No.
Wow.
What is Zone 0? Yeah, that's terrifying. I'm not. But I found something random today. And it's a Chicken Stars video. It's this one, but
I never thought I would develop shingles. I was wrong. I didn't know that 99...
It's my butt shadow! It's my butt shadow!
Dance shadows! Scare prank success!
Gonna go out swinging. Toy soldiers dipping dots, fun-size bars. Slipping, slides, fart noises, chicken stars. Until they tell me to stop. Thank you for the likes, my dear subscribers. System overload. Beep beep. I'm a transformer. Am I a fish? Look, underwater world. Let him drown in fun. Wet boy.
drown. No, I'm not letting him.
Hi, shadows. Dance with me. Go away, my butt shadow. It's my butt shadow.
Dance shadows! Scare prank success!
What's happening?
I like this. I like this part.
I did this.
Movie SpongeBob.
What's happening? Catch the bubble. Oopsie. It's my butt shadow.
Dance shadows! Scare prank success!
What's happening? Catch the bubble. Oopsie.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, it's this part right here. How did you get in there? How did you break that there?
Oops, too spicy.
Oh, he's eating it. He's eating his stuff. Are you gonna send a nuke? Is that the wild robot?
That's my secret recipe. Bananina, potatato, cookie, cookie, cookie. Huh? Ew. Nah. Fuck them chicken stars! It's chicken star time. Wait, you know what? I hate these chicken stars. What? Make 67 mustard? I'm out of chicken stars. Give me 67,000 and make a quick boy. Okay, little man. Give me monkey. 6767 mango, mango, star. 6767 anymore. Mom, I don't want to eat them anymore.
Eat the chicken stars and do the thing.
But chicken stars are roasted and meat isn't meat anymore. I love chicken stars. Wait, no. I hate chicken stars! I hate them!
I recently purchased the most popular glucose meter online and decided to test it with you.
Stars. Wait. No. I hate chicken stars! I hate them! 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 I hate them!
Out
don't like chicken stars anymore. Never mind. He likes chicken stars! 67, 67, 67, 67, 67, 67, 67, 67, 67,
Stars. Oh, never mind. I don't want them anymore. I want chicken stars! I want chicken stars! I want chicken stars. Just kidding. Mango mustard 67, 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 mango mustard 67. Oh yeah, the perfect chicken star? None of this is real. Let's finish this.
He does not sound that young, Sora. He sounds kind of a bit older.
Never mind. I don't want them
Because he could
anymore.
be him.
I want chicken stars! I want chicken stars! Mango, mango mustard 67, 67, 67!
And I don't know why he sounds like a real kid. A high-pitched kid? No. Where did he get those cookies? There's two versions of them.
It works, Morty! Bananina!
Sir.
Potatato! Cookie wookie wookie!
Here we go.
This is my swamp.
Sonic the Hedgehog?
Should have chosen the diet cookie.
Why is Sonic here?
Should have chosen the diet cookie.
That Sonic kind of looks good, except it looks like his movie model. Because if you don't know the movie model of Sonic, then I'll show you. Yeah, there he is. Apparently there's a criminal. Who is mainly famous.